Hey Huns, in today's video I'm going to show you how I got this back to school makeup no makeup look. It's really cute if you want to slay on the first day or slay every single day for how many days of school there is. Anyways, if you want to know how I achieved this look, continue watching and you will find out. Welcome to my channel. I am proud to say that I've been working hard on making a beauty channel and it is finally here. I'm glad to say that this is my first official video on this channel. I do have another channel, but I didn't want to put everything in one channel. So I've decided that I'm gonna dedicate that channel. The channel's gonna pop up here or here. The channel's gonna pop up on, I don't know which side it is, but you guys can go check out that channel if you want. That channel is gonna be dedicated to challenges, pranks, just, you know, funny things, you know, recipes, things like that. And then my beauty channel is gonna be makeup tutorials, hacks, advice, DIYs, things like that. So I decided not to mix up the two things in one channel and just make two separate channels. After a long work on making my intro, making my banner, making the theme on what I want my YouTube channel to be about, I'm just so happy that it's finally here, and I'm so happy that I took my time and not rushed into it like I did with my first channel. So I just want everything on this channel to be perfect. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a back to school makeup look since school is pretty much around the corner. I start school August 20th and I'm pretty excited but kind of terrified at the same time because I'm starting college, and it's just gonna be weird for me because I'm not going to school every single day. I'm only going to school Monday and Wednesday, so that's kind of, you know, weird for me, but you know, I gotta kind of adjust. But today I'm just going to show you guys how I get this natural makeup, no makeup, back to school makeup look. All the products that I used in this video is going to be in the description box down below. And if you guys have any ideas or like suggestions that you guys want me to do in my like next and upcoming videos, just leave a comment in the comment section down below. Or you can just DM me on Instagram and Twitter. The links would be in the description box down below as well. And we're just going to get straight into this video. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows and moisturized my face. Now I'm just going to take my Too Faced Prime Set and Refresh Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. I'm just gonna spray this all over my face since it's also a primer and I don't have primer at the moment. All the products that I use in this video is gonna be listed in the description box down below. Next, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 355. And I'm just going to put this on the back of my hand like this. Don't mind my edges right now. They're red. It's because I had weave in and then with my leave out, so I decided to dye my weave red and also my leave out. Then after that I took it out, got it re-sewn back in but with a closure, and the closure is black. So now my edges are red, my closure is black, and the rest of my hair is red. Next, I'm going to take my Revlon Colorstay Concealer in the shade Deep. I'm going to take my Black Radiance True Contour Palette. So what I'm going to do is take Sculpt, and I'm gonna take a powder brush and just powder my whole face. Since we are going for a makeup no makeup look, a back to school, when you're going back to school you don't need to do a lot, hun. This is not the club, this is not You know what I mean? You need to look natural as ever. I don't like to bake, so what I'm gonna do is take Sculpt and just, you know, put that all over my face. Next, I'm going to take my Tarte blush in the shade Party. Oh, that's so cute. So I'm just gonna, you know, smile and just like dab a little some on the cheek. After I put blush on, I'm gonna go back in with my Revlon concealer as a eyelid primer. And I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand, like that. I'm just gonna take my Wet n Wild. It's just like a basic fluffy brush. So right now I'm just gonna take this brush to blend out my concealer. I'm just gonna go in with the same Wet n Wild brush, but instead of going with Sculpt, we're gonna go in with Contour, and we're gonna use that as a transition color. After that, I'm just gonna take Sculpt again because it's a little bit darker than the contour, and I'm gonna take my flat brush. It's by Wet n Wild too. I'm just gonna take Sculpt and put that on my lid. Right now, I'm gonna take this smaller flat brush and highlight under my brow bone. Gonna highlight the inner corner, and then I'm gonna highlight the rest of my face after I put on some lashes. Now I'm just gonna take my Bernherly boutique lashes, style Glamorous. Yes, these are my lashes. I sell them on my website. They're like a cute little playful natural lashes. Pretty much goes with anything because that's how natural they are. I'm going to take my Maybelline the Colossal Big Shot mascara and just, you know, coat my bottom lashes. I'm going to go back into my black Radiance palette and get a fan brush and take some highlight. Ooh, look at that glow. I love this because it's like a nice champagne color and it's not too harsh. Then I'm gonna do my Cupid's bow. I'm going to take a flat brush, get some and put it on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. Once I do that, I'm going to take my She Makeup waterproof lip pencil in the color Chestnut, and I'm just gonna lightly, not too harsh, but lightly line my lips. I'm going to go in with my Broadway Ultra Lip Rose Hip Oil Lip Gloss. Next, I'm just going to take my Victoria's Secret, just so you know, basic pink lip gloss, and then I'm just gonna pop this. After I do everything, I'm just gonna go back in with my Too Faced setting spray and just spray my face so it can last all day long. Because this is back to school, and isn't school like 7 hours, depending like if you go to high school, and you know what I mean. And this is the completed makeup look. I really love it. It's a nice back to school, let me slay on the first day, you know, natural, no makeup look. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys next time.